Bond started just about 10 years ago in 2014. Since then, it's been kind of a combination of serving the R&D community and the industrial community with friction stir welding machines. There's not a lot of companies on the planet that do what we do, and so we quickly became a global provider of friction stir welding technology.
Because we have a reputation for being able to solve problems for our customers, they come to us and know that we've got not only the knowledge of how to build a machine, we have also a great deal of expertise.
It's a really important thing for us to establish a collaborative relationship with our customers. We have to not only be responsive to the research community and what their needs are, but we have to be ready to support production for customers that require uptime and need to make millions of parts per year. We have to be an effective servant to both of those communities.
And that has kind of become the mantra here at Bond, is not just to make things per the customer specification or over-deliver, but to actually have the requirement for ourselves that the customer is happy.
The notion of making sure that our customers are successful has been a key to what's made us successful.
We think the future of Bond is very bright. We have a great team here, and we have the combination of process knowledge and machine building expertise that it takes to solve virtually any problem that comes in friction stir welding.
We try hard to advance technology and to come up with new things. Discovery, innovation is a lot of work, but it's exciting.
We are going to continue to bring the friction stir welding into the production world, but we are also looking to take our production experience and bringing that into this new research and to try to bridge that gap and get to that commercial state faster.